It used to be that people read the Constitution, and Article 2 powers fairly straightforwardly. It says the President shall make these nominations with the advice and consent of the Senate, and the person would be confirmed in short order. There'd be a hearing. People would ask the potential judge a question or 2 or 5 or 10. There'd be questionnaires. Once they had satisfactorily performed that process, then the Senate would vote. We now have a situation where they're saying we simply will not consider the nomination itself. We're just going to shut down the process. And as a consequence, we have a 4-4 tie in the Supreme Court and potentially at least 2 Supreme Court terms in which this vacancy will remain. That is unprecedented. Not only are they not willing to hold a vote at this point, they have refused to hold hearings on Judge Garland. If you start getting into a situation in which the process of appointing judges is so broken, so partisan, that a eminently qualified jurist cannot even get a hearing, then we are going to see the kinds of sharp partisan polarization that have come to characterize our electoral politics seeping entirely into the judicial system. And that erodes the institutional integrity of the judicial branch.